It's a lovely sunny Sunday today. After ng napakatagumpay na gawain kahapon, I want to celebrate it with my hubby. Just for a walk here in Newen. Early nasa Newen kami ni Stan. Hope you're available after ng walk namin. Ito ang kanyang car park. Just to this side is the little park where you can have a picnic there. It's free.
But I'm not living without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through.
Ito yatang bench na hindi naaarawan. Kasi ayan, mag-green siya. And there's a little lake. Oh, yung snowdrops doon. It's surrounding this tree. Look, circular siya. Oh. I don't know, just surrounding this tree. Just this tree alone. Malayo na si Stan. Ay, yun yung lake. Yan. Okay. I can see it. And I spotted another bench. Kita nyo yung itsura. Mukhang di naaarawan. Kasi parang surrounded siya ng tree. Yeah, hindi siya naarawan. At sobrang layo na ni Stan. Naiiwan na ako ng 1 milya. Yun ang lake. Beautiful lake of Newen. What's that? Something at the middle. Siguro mga tuyong dahon or damo sa gitna ng lake. There it is. There's yung mga puting ibon, bibe, birds here. Wow, ang ganda naman yun, no? Ano yung mga bahay na maliliit? Can you see it? Yeah, it's so cute. Maliliit talaga siya. Oh, ayan ha. Siguro para sa mga ibon yan eh. It's a beautiful lake in Newen. Why we don't know about it before? Here? Sure, galing na raw kami rito. We've been here before according to him, but I don't remember. And then, look at those, where's that? Ayan little house. I cannot see. Kasi maaraw, hindi ko makita. Ayan, kaharap ako sa araw. Sunny Sunday, beautiful weather. Ay, nakaraos na yung aming anniversary sa church. Finally, ang Gloucester Cell Group naging chapter na. And what is that? Nakikita ko. Ano ba yan? Fox? Yeah, it looks like fox. Ang cute. Ano siya? Estatwa. O, diba? Siyempre, estatwa, hindi na magagalaw yan. Snowdrops.
Oh no.
During winter time, ayan mga snowdrops. Tumutubo. Okay. And we're going to bridge. To cross the little bridge. Mali pa eh.
Oh no.
Oh yan oh, green na naman oh. Because it's not exposed to sunlight. That's why. Eh, parang always siya yung basa. Ayan na, nasa end na kami ng lake. And this is the end of the lake. Ang ganda rito. Ayan, may mga basuran sila rito. Tapos dito naman, I wanna show you where they put the dogs. You know what I mean. Pagka yung mga namamasyal dito may kasamang aso, nagdumi, pupulutin nila and they will put it there.
this way. I just remember
Sabi ni Stella, we've been here before. That's the name.
when we were driving down the
Ang ganda pa ng weather.
408.
Nakaka-relax.
And she would smile just like the sun that you and me.
Nasisilaw sa araw. Kasi parang matutunaw ako sa araw. Para akong vampire. Si Dracula kasama ko yun. Ayun. Honey, honey! Honey! Hindi naman ako maring. Mga ano siya oh. Mushroom. Umaga, yan, ang liliit to. Tumubo sa... Ay, sculptor pala to. Ayan oh. Wow. Ang gaganda ng... Oh, anong kuma. Yan. At eto pa. Tumubo sa mga sculptor niya. Eto namang lugar na to, this place, if you wanna go on fishing, just take your own chair, wait, you know, ihagis mo yung iyong pain. Yan, mangingisda ka na. Tapos, I think they have to put it back. The fish, that's what they do here. If you catch fish, after that, you have to throw back to the sea or to the water. Ganun po ang patakaran dito. Hindi mo pwedeng kainin. Yeah, we just gone circular way. Nasa na kami 2/3 circular way nga eh. Tapos pabalik na sa bandang kanan ko yun ay yung sinasabi ko malilit na bahay. Kaya nakikita ko na. Kaya malapit na kami rin sa car park. Oh, it's still beautiful. I wish I'll be here till night time. And some trees are still bare because still winter time. Pero, ano yung tawag doon? Mistletoe. Ayun yung puno na yun, may mga mistletoe. Mistletoe ang tawag doon. And I can see Stan sitting. Maybe that's where we're having our red wine. Yung aming tinatawag na drink na yun. Tinatawag namin si Hersha dahil ng banayad. Actually, banayad is pertaining to whiskey ni Dolphy sa isang niya, program niya. Sumikat yun eh. Kasi nakakatawa. In Hersha, we call the banayad the red wine. Are we not going to have our red wine here?
Oh no.
Oh no. Where do you want it? Wow, it's a muddy walk here. It's a muddy walk. I wanna try my shoes here, honestly. Oh, di ba? Pero I can walk there. I just wanna try my new old shoes. Ang aking nakotserang paa, hindi na mahinto. I want more! Aga pa eh. Gusto ko akit akong bundok, di naman bundok to. Kasi I'm a mountain climber, honestly, I love mountains. Kaya nga when we were in Spain, I see the mountains so enchanted. Pinakamagandang bundok nakita ko sa buong buhay ko, yung sa north of Spain. Sa Potes yata yun yung place. Magbabay na ako sa dalawang bibe. Bye-bye, ducks! Malapit na kami sa car park. Bye-bye! Lovebirds eh. Of course, hindi mawawala ang playground. Ito maganda sa UK eh. Magkakaano siya, yung park. May lake, may playground. Normally ganyan. Sa Gloucester lang ang walang lake. Yung Gloucester Park. I find it boring and really flat. Okay, there are some informations. Yeah, Newent Lake. This is the history if you want to read the history. Ito pong matatagpuan niya sa ano. Ay, meron siyang bat and beetle. Ayan. Ito na po ang kanyang picture. Kabuuan ng lake. At nasa na si Stan. Iniwan na ako ni Stan. Ayun. Iniiwan talaga. Another bin here. And ayun na yung car park. Mga 20 minutes walk lang. Go around. I want to walk some more. I want to walk 5 miles at least a day. And back to Little Bridge and cross. Papunta na sa car park and I spotted the church. Yun ang church. Kakalapit lang siya. You know, here in UK so beautiful. They just don't have a beautiful weather like in the Philippines. Na always sunny and dry. Here, I think 6 or 7 months of always depressing weather. I called it cloudy, rain. Summertime is beautiful. Now we are putting the church now. Yun, may patulis. Patulis na church. Kala ko iglesia ni Cristo lang may ganyan. Matulis. Catholic church may mga ganyan. Eh nasa church na kami. Like what I've said always, na yung mga nicho katabi lang ng church or it's surrounded the church. Ayan mga ano yan eh, nicho yan, yung mga namatay and more of this, mga old na hindi na dinadalaw. Ayan nicho yan. Kapaligid sa church. Ganyan dito eh. Yung sementeryo nasa tabi mismo or naliligiran or pinapaligiran ng cemetery yung church. Yun pa on more. It's called the honey tomb. Yan o. Mga tomb. Yan, ang dami. This is the main entrance of the church. Ayan. Glass door at least. Modern. Ayan, mga sementeryo nila at heto yung church. Ayun yung matulis sa dulo. Sa kayong clock. Nihingal na ako. Bakit ko ba binibidyohan tong sementeryo na to? I don't know, I like it. Heto naman yung mga poppy, naglalagay sila dyan para sa mga sundalong namatay. Kaya lagi sila may mga sikat yan yung poppy flowers. Pero heto artificial lang. Ayan, inaaray nila sa mga sundalong namatay. Oh, may naligaw ritong isa. Isa lang dyan. Oh, nag-iisa siya. Danin ko kaya ron. Oh. Dapat nandun yun. Oh, palabas na lang ng gate. May mga nicho pa. Oh. Ayan oh. Mga namatay. Ayun oh. Nasa gate mismo. At nasa road na po kami ng Newent. There's a bus stop somewhere here. Because when I went to Arlene before, I thought this is the road. Ayun yung marketplace, oh. Ayun. Historical daw yun. Ayun yung puti. Ito naman yung mga shops nila sa tabi-tabi. Not so many here. Yan pa. Okay. And more. And the cafe area. You can have coffee here if you want. Shop for the carpets and drinks. Oh, Deli Cafe here. Ito yung sinasabi nilang historical marketplace. Bakit kaya? Ang ganda oh. Honey, where do you want to have our banayad? No, whiskey, what I mean. We call the banayad. Ang ganda ng marketplace nila. Tapos meron pang ano, yung telephone booth yan. Pero it's not being used now kasi may mga cellphone na yung mga tao. Kaya. Pero ba still is. May telephone pa rin. Let's open it. Ito yung popular na red telephone booth ng ano. Ay, meron pa rin. It's still being used. Okay. Sa Kabahayan naman kami naglakad ngayon. It looks like our place in Glencairn or Tafli. Kasi this is the style of the bungalows. In the Tafli. Yeah, I feel like I'm not new to. We're finding the arboretum. I don't know if this is the right way, honestly. Parang naligaw si Stan. Sa Newen Community School. This one is closed. I don't know what's that. Church maybe? Closed church or chapel? Oh, sila sarado. Bintana. I think that's the main church in there. Honey, what do you think? Why is it closed? Nobody's interested to hear the sermon? Ay, naku, hingal na ako. I think it's never-ending road. We have already walked 3 miles or more. Just finding the arboretum. There's the arboretum. The trouble, there's a fence. We cannot cross there.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
Found the perfect place for our banayad. Banayad red wine. Honey, what kind of bread is that? Is it 19 crimes, yellowtail, or what? Oh, take it out, honey. I can't wait. Take the banayad out of the bag. Siya. Ay, bag ko yung malaki ng mga kapis. This is my wine glass. Oh, 2 wine glass. Oh, wow. There's no label. What's that? Walang tatak yung red wine namin. And is this what they called arboretum? Nothing to see. Ay, anyway, marami puno. I like. Honey, cheers for a lovely weather. And for a very successful anniversary of El Shaddai. 21st. At magbababay na po ako sa kanila. Maglalaylo ako. Kasi I had to give time to Stan. So, yan, masaya siya pagka magkasama kami. Honey, what's that? Chocolate? Wow.
Some.
Oh, yan. Hindi lang ako inalok.
Squirrels.
Ha? Oh, squirrel! Kala nyo, nakakita ng squirrel. Okay, honey. Nag-cheers na ba tayo? Have you already cheers? Cheers! Cheers! we spotted the King Arms pubs. It's Stanstein pub. Yung mga tao naman dito, there's nothing wrong with the pub. Drink lang. Ako naman, lagi namang pineapple juice ang iniim ko rito eh. Orange juice, apple juice, depende. Pero it's not so bad here. Kung minsan nga, may mga bata pang kasama eh. Nagsaserve din silang drink tulad yan na may mga tao. This is their menu. We're having our lunch. Daming tao. This is the second room. Crowded. This is my favorite pineapple. And beer for me. Grabe. Lans na kami ni Stan kasi gutom na. Kalalakwatsa. Beautiful lunch. Only small but it looks big to me. Gala. Grabe, nagtanghalian kami ni Stan. Busog na busog ako. Ang laki ng portion nila. Small ang sabi ko eh. Laking dumating. Yan yung main road. Papunta sa Rosa Nuetas. Pagliko rito, welcome ka na ng welcome new winds na.